Okay, Mr. Mieses Santana, if you look at, and I'm sure you have, because most of this is pretty good, but in terms of the formatting, where did you see bold name, the date bold, or the salutation to Mr. Jones? Where did you see all of that in the format that I attached to the assignment? Okay, there is no reason for bold. For bold in the in your name, the date, or the person who will receive the letter, as well as the complimentary close and your name. All right, now, what is Columbus Ave? With a small letter, with the it's an address. All right, so you know that. Okay, this is 845 Columbus Avenue. That's how it's supposed to be written out. All right, why this space over here? Why a comma between the first name and the last name? You didn't do that here. So what's all this about? Why the comma after William and the and the and the space before the name William? This is Dear Mr. Jones. Again, follow the correct format that I attached to the assignment. Okay? Why is this word here? In business, you never use the word hope. Never. All right? The word hope belongs in a church, synagogue, temple, or mosque. Never. This setting or documents. Never. All of this is unnecessary. We know that you're writing. All right, get to the point of your email or letter. Okay? These three words are not are not necessary. Get to the point of your letter or email. Simply state thank you for, all right, thanking you for whatever it is. And did you see this? Did you see this spelled like that in the instructions? No, you didn't, Mr. Mieses Santana. No, you didn't. It is Comite Noviembre. Look at how you spelled. And you're Latina? Please. Spell this in Spanish.